7300 Mountain Thicket. So I will say this, we're obviously a corner lot. These houses appear slightly more well kept than some of the houses down this way. And I entered following my GPS from that side. There's one yard just a few houses down to my left, that way, where they have completely enclosed their front yard with a gate. So it's little things like that we want to keep in mind. It is a few houses down, and the neighbors on this side have done, like, for example, this yard looks very nice with its landscaping. Okay, moving inside. We would, of course, install whatever locks necessary there, repaint if necessary, repaint this door, install landlord locks. We have a somewhat dated tile at the entry, but it's probably fine. The property manager would make that decision. It's a seemingly large water heater for a property this size. LiftMaster garage door opener. Okay, because this flooring needs to be replaced with tile, we would want to replace this tile so it matches. 3 blinds in here. We want to add the 2.5-inch forward blinds and a fridge. The counters look very nice. The cabinets look dated. So for give or take some amount of money, let's say approximately $1,000, you can have all the cabinets in the property painted. Now these have those security shutters, and I do not know how to operate them, so I don't know what to do about those. But they do work. We tested them. We didn't test all of them. We tested a good number of them. The question is what to do with them. Rollodin rolling shutters. The walls are white. Carpet looks new. That light fixture at the front, we can replace that for $200. I didn't even notice it when I walked in, but of course I did eventually, so it's not that big of a deal. That's my point. I'm going to replace the flooring in here as well with a tile that matches the kitchen and the front entryway. Need to add blinds in here. Wow, this is a huge room. Carpet looks good. And we would add the tile in here as well. So we would repaint these cabinets. Okay.